Who will bell the cat? There was an old house in a village where a group of mice lived happily. They moved around freely and made quite a mess. The owner got tired of it and decided to fix the problem. So he brought in a cat that changed things fast. The mice, who were once fearless, became scared. They stopped coming out of their holes because they were afraid of the cat. One day, they all got together to figure out what to do. Everyone had ideas, but none of them really solved the problem. Then a young mouse spoke up. "Why don't we tie a bell around the cat's neck?" he said. "That way, we'll hear it coming and hide in time." The idea sounded great. All the mice liked it and started praising him. But then an old mouse stood up and said, "That's a good idea. That's a good idea. But who is going to put the bell on the cat?" No one had an answer. The room went quiet. The mice looked at each other, but no one was brave enough to do it. In the end, they all went back to their holes, still scared of the cat. Nothing changed. Lesson: it's easy to think of good ideas, but it's not so easy to act on them. Without courage, even the best plans don't work.